up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rotten Russ, and today we're gonna get right back at it, breathing heavy like an asthmatic. But like I promised you, let's get these studs installed. Yeah, keeping it moving. First, I'm gonna remove air intake. Obviously, I've already taken the wires off, moved them out of the way. So let's stop talking about it and just do it right now. Now you can see I have already started trying to mock up the headers. Got more room on this side than I do this side, and the header is held up on the starter from underneath. That being said, let's get these studs in. Now, it goes without saying, always use, you don't have to use the actual fastener lubricant, but make sure you grease them up some way, shape, or form. Alright, there we go. We got them in. Now, before I put the heads on, what I need to do is I'm going to have to notch the frames here for the headers to fit. So, you kind of see where I scribed the line. And before I put the heads in, I need to cut those.
Someone save me from my lifetime. Please don't blame me for all my past. 'Cause everything we can see is just a joke, nothing more. Everything we're going through suddenly will kill ourselves. Get back, spinning deep inside of me. When down, fight is back, and even that can make me feel. Get back, spinning deep inside of me.
There I have way more room than I need now. I still may have to cut underneath it, but that was the only thing stopping me from putting the heads on. So now that I got those done, what I'm going to do next is this head is brand new, clean, ready to go, with the exception of a little bit of dust. This one I need to clean out. Scrape this side free of the gasket stuff, clean the inside, get as much shit out as I can, and clean the cylinders. So next, clean that up and get these heads on. The head is all cleaned up. I am going to, now that I know they fit and everything's good, this is the stuff that I use. Spray gasket, high temp. This is the copper one. Yep. Do not use RVT rubber gasket sealer making stuff. These are layered gaskets, so they sandwich themselves. You don't need anything more than just a copper spray, and that's just so obviously I live in Arizona, so heat is a big problem. But yeah, I'm gonna spray these down and get the heads on for good. Let's do it. I cleaned up pretty good. Blam. That one was already clean. I'll probably just spray it with a little bit of a carb cleaner, get the dust from it sitting, and we're ready to go. Got the copper stuff on it. Don't need a whole lot. Just makes it tacky. But let's do it. Alright, so I got the heads on. All the studs are started all the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the wrench to slowly just work them down, and then I'm going to tighten it how APR says you're supposed to. So you start in the middle, work out, work your edges, then you go into the smaller ones. So as I tighten it down with the wrench, which I'm using one that doesn't go too fast, don't want to use an impact and just go balls to the wall straight putting them on, and then I will come back with the torque wrench and torque them. It's 25 foot-pounds for the M8 and 125 for the M12s. So yeah, let's get it. Let's keep it going. Don't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Boom. There it is. All torqued down. Now I am going to put the throttle body on. Here are the gaskets for the bottom, ready for install. So that's what I'm going to do next. Alright, now if you guys remember me telling you I ported them, meaning I matched them. I got as close as I could without breaking that wall. So now it's going on like this. There it is, installed. I got the power steering pump also. Now I'm going to wire it, the injectors, all the sensors. I already got the grounds on both sides of the heads. May not be able to see that, but dipstick went in because I cut the frame, so that's no longer a problem. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to mount it, because I don't know if I'm gonna mount it to the exhaust. That's how it's supposed to be mounted. But yeah, let's see what else I could get done. Okay, now I have it wired up, ready to go. Now what I'm gonna do is I got my push rods brand new, ready to go. I'm going to lube them up, put them in a bag with some of the Marvel mystery oil, and slap them on. Obviously got to take this side off, and then put the valve covers on for the last time, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, just real quick, these are the ones that were in the motor. These are brand new ones, got them soaking. Just wanted to make sure they are the same length. Make sure they're the same length, and go ahead and start getting them in there. All right, y'all, so this is where I'm gonna end this video. Just a quick update. I got some rims for my car, so I took the rims off of my car and I'm gonna use them for the truck. Painted the caliper, it's all good, ready to go. Started to mock up the radiator core, and push rods, valve covers, all installed, ready to go. So we're almost there, almost. Right now what I'm waiting for is the cooling reservoir, the overflow, so that way I can mount the power steering reservoir to it, which sucks because it's going to cover my ARP sticker, but you know, we know it's there. But yeah, I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. Damn, I think that orange behind the grill is going to look sick. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.